Hey everyone, my name is Mrinal Kutteri. I secured All India Rank 1 in NEET UG 2021 and I'm presently a first year MBBS student at AIIMS New Delhi. And I know you all must be very excited, partly nervous maybe to attempt for to appear for the NEET exam on July 17th this year. And I just wanted to share with you my experience regarding the intensive test program at Aakash, which was, for me at least, the most important preparation resource during the last month of my preparation, and I think it might be helpful for all of you as well. So just want to share a little bit of my experience associated with that. The intensive program at Aakash, I remember, was exactly what I needed at that point in my preparation. The intensive program starts around 1 month to 6 weeks before the actual NEET exam. So जो भी tests मैंने तब तक लिखे थे, I read from the module more than NCERT and I was able to get through. But finally, the final NEET exam is based on NCERT, right? तो जब वो टेस्ट आने लगे जो ज़्यादा NCERT based होते थे, I could not score as well as I'd hoped. So that was kind of demotivating at one point of time. But then right around the time that I needed that push, that catalyst, was when the intensive program started here at Aakash. So it had so many benefits for me. Like, this is one test series that really lives up to its name. Okay, it's truly an intensive marathon, and you need that kind of mental stamina building exercise, and this series really helped me do that. Like, रोज एक test लिखना होता है for 40 days, and all these tests are scheduled in the time slot of 2 to 5, which is when the final NEET exam is. And I think ज़्यादातर लोगों को ना 2 to 5 थोड़ा सा वो टाइम होता है जब थकान हो जाती है, नींद आती है, लंच के बाद का टाइम है, तो your mind is really working suboptimal. But this is the time when you need to be able to bring out everything that you've done for the past 2 years or more, right? So you need that kind of practice and conditioning to ensure that during this time you can focus and concentrate and give your exam the way you hope to. So for those 45 days, I was writing a test a day during this period and analyzing the test afterwards, because obviously tests are pointless unless you really analyze the mistakes you've made. So that way this test series was really a very comprehensive package as a whole, because it's in the right time slot, it mimics the pattern of the exam, and it's almost entirely NCERT based, which more often than not is how the final NEET exam comes. And soon after the exam you have a discussion class with your peers and your teachers where you can understand the mistakes, you can correct the mistakes you've made, and you can know if there are any shortcuts you could have used here and there, so to skim off some time here and there, because that is what will make the difference in case the exam's a little lengthy. Like the year I wrote in 21, the paper was a little lengthy, so being able to shave off 30 seconds from a question here and there was really critical. So all these things, and preparing yourself for the inevitabilities and unpredictabilities of an exam like this, all this can only come through writing as many tests as you can. Like, you can prepare as much as you want, but all that is like net practice. Okay, it doesn't matter until you have real life match practice, which kind of is what the test series was for me. So in that last month I had written tests of so many very difficulty levels, like all across the spectrum, really easy, moderate, a mix of everything, really difficult. So you write those many tests, at one point you feel like, okay, मैंने सभी देख लिया, अब क्या ही बचा है, whatever comes in the exam I'll be prepared for it. I know the time management and stress management strategy no matter what kind of exam it is. So that way it was just what I needed, and that is why I strongly recommend, मैं सबसे कहूँगा कि no matter how you're scoring initially, please do stick with the test series and write the test series in its entirety. The intensive program at Aakash really is, for me at least, it was my most important preparation resource during the last 2 months. So I'm hoping that all of you can also derive similar benefits from it.